Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bear Mix Journals over at Instagram. Today I have a journal flip through using the Pink Monarch digital kits for March. So I subscribe. There's a monthly subscription ongoing, and there's also a discount code for the month of March. So I went ahead and subscribed, and I printed out all of the pages in the kit and decided to make a tall journal out of it. So this is the first tall journal that I ever made. So in comparison, um, this is the latest journal that you would have seen. So the tall journal is skinnier. It's the size, it's the length of a digital kit, I would say. And then you just fold it in half, and those make up the signature, the pages for the signature. So at least that's how I made um, the tall journal that I have. This tall journal has lace in the cover, but it's just backed by regular copy paper. So for my journals, I usually print them in 200 GSM paper, but this time around I just printed in 100 GSM paper, so there's a bit more movement and a bit more sound, I guess. I really like, if you can hear that, really like the texture, the sounds of this particular journal. Anyway, let's go through the flip through. So this is the front page. I just have modern lace here. This lace I got I don't know, a while back. You would have seen them in my journals already. And then I just have this modern floral applique. It wraps around the lace, at least. It's bound by sari, so you would see there it's just one signature, bound by sari. The closure is also sari, and it's a very simple one. I just loop this sari trim through the holes in the lace, and I added this rusted butterfly. So this is the front page. The front page is also a pocket for this layered tag. So you have that in the front, you have this in the front as well, and then the back is just blank, and there's a lot of journal space in there. And this pocket just goes up to here because this one is shut because of the applique. Then you open it up. So this is the paper backing for the front cover. And then there's just I won't take out each and every ephemera piece, but there's a layered stack there, and then it has a lace here. This is vintage paper, authentic vintage paper. This is from the kit. So all of these digitals are from the March kit of Pink Monarch. It's a wrapping paper that crinkles. It's a tuck spot. I just love this paper with those gold details. This background paper. All of the background papers I used here are from the Pink Monarch. Modern paper, Pink Monarch. It also has these tabs that I just included here because I really like how they looked on the side. Vintage, authentic vintage tickets. This is an ephemera. This authentic vintage notebook. Then this is just an envelope, glassine envelope, authentic tickets, and then an envelope with ephemera inside. I just love the sound that the glassine paper bag makes. I know a lot of us do. Edith Holden book page with just a tab, and this is for the month of March because it's March. Vintage document with a very ornate header there, some collaging. This one has a lot of journaling space in it for sure, but it's also very embellished, like how I like my journals to be. So like for this one, this is an authentic cigarette card, and then this is an authentic vintage letter. I just really love the handwriting. See that? I don't know where it begins though. Probably here or probably here. But yeah, this can be used throughout, you know, the journal, or even take this out and use it in some other journal. There's lots of collaging bits there that can be used. There's lots of bits can be used for collaging. Just some labels. This one just opens up for more journaling. This is a hidden paper clip. So if you saw my Instagram post, I did a lot of crafting last weekend when we went on a staycation at the hotel. I brought a whole bunch of stuff and just, you know, started making different little projects, and now I'm using them in my different journals. I don't know what this is, but this is netting with that styrofoam. Let's see that. The kit also has these giant tags similar to the one in the front. This one I just attached to this page. This is also from the kit. Quite fun. This one I thought to add the vintage ticket, but instead of using a paper clip, I just used a rusted pin. More of that stacked ephemera. This is the middle part. Just an envelope tucked here. More of that tag or tab. Music sheet. This is vintage. The other side of that netting. This is another one of that crafting weekend that I did. So this is just like layered bits that the idea is it's just attached there, so you can rip it out and use it in other journals. Like you can use this lace somewhere else, this one. I thought I'd add that there. It's just attached with a paper clip. The back has this giant tag. Vintage magazine page. Another one of the hidden paper clips. Just a tag. Other side of that vintage paper clip. The note card. Pocket. Other side of that Edith Holden page. This is a belly band. Other side of the glassine envelope with some bits inside. Tab. This is another one of those projects that I made. Another layered tuck spot. It's very cute. Little girl, collaged. Or these are my teeny tiny tags. Lots of journaling space there. Other side of that pink lace. And then this is also part of the March kit. It's similar to the Super Simples that the Pink Monarch has in their site. So I just followed along the tutorial how to make this one. We have pockets there. These are all removable. All these three. You open it up. You have a tag. This actually goes here. Let's see if it will. Okay. Yep. So that's it. And then the back is also another pocket with this layered pocket there, and then lots of journaling space in the back. And this one is a deeper pocket than the front one, but it just shows the sari ribbon on top. So that's it. My very first tall journal. I'm creating another one because this is quite addicting, and it came together really fast. Maybe because, you know, it has lesser pages than the usual journals that I make. It's still a very fun one to do. I'll be making lots of tall journals in the next few days for sure. But if you're interested in this journal, just send me a message over at Instagram or send me an email. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.